So I did face some issue in recent time. I have taken on multiple projects on Upwork, and my desktop started to get a real mess, and I started to mix up things. Working on different projects, switching between them. And the first idea I had, I create separate user accounts, but this also not really practical. If you work on projects simultaneously, for example, you work 1 hour on one project and there is nothing to do, you switch to another project and do there some work. It makes no sense to log in, to log out. And even if you're in your main logging account, you still would need to have Slack, and you would have to need a Upwork tracker on every single user account you created. So this was a huge issue. So I came up with the following solution to use desktops. One for the main, then one for the big project and for the smaller project as well. And yeah, there were some issues like, for example, download files. When I download, because it's the same user account, all did end up in the same folder. And also with print screens, I had the issue that every time I made a print screen, I had totally mixed up files with print screens from different projects. So to solve the problem with the second problem is like Google Chrome, for example, I created now for everybody a different Chrome account there, then login credentials, everything is separated. And yeah, even for downloads, you can set in the settings here in the settings, and then in downloads, you can set a special download location. So every Chrome account has a separated project, and every project has its own download folder. So I don't mix things up. So the only remaining thing was print screens, but I can use Control Windows S, and when I do a print screen, I have here the snipping tool, and when I have the snipping tool, I can here select Save, and then I created already different down different print screen folders, so I can select this and then save it in this specific folder. I will in the next step maybe automate this, that it detects automatically on which desktop I am and saves it automatically, but actually I'm not sure if it's worth the hassle, because this is also working pretty well. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful to stay organized and don't mix things up, and also still keeping the possibility to switch fast between projects. I see it's not the best solution. Me personally, I would prefer that I would be able to log in to every separate desktop account, which I think would give somehow more security, that I just see that Slack pops up or something, and then I go and log in into the other desktop. But this, I think, is now the most practical solution for me. I have on one side, I can separate the information, that it not gets mixed up too much, and I still have the possibility to switch fast between them. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe.